so Christian is bed. We have to move to Ukraine. So I'm doing a prank on him. So he doesn't know. Let's go. I'm putting you guys in a good position. Hey, Christian. Christian. Oh, I found this. Get out of the blanket. What move? What's your least favorite country? What move into Ukraine? It's not a joke. No, it's not a joke. You mean actually Ukraine? Yep. Yep. Yeah, swear to God, this is a joke. It's a plane! Of course it is. Think I didn't know that? Bye, guys. Have a good day. Guys, Ukraine isn't my least favorite country, but
He hates it.
yeah, I kind of do hate it, but to be honest, North Korea is my least favorite country, so yeah. Bye, guys. Hit that bell and like this video. And subscribe. I already said that, so I may have not, but bye, guys.